a custom ringtones on Telegram. You want to use a particular ringtone that you love on your Telegram alone. Let's get started. Now, open your Telegram. Now, what you need to do is come to this three line button, click on it, then you scroll down, click on settings, then you scroll down and click on notification and sounds. And now here is a ringtone. Click on your ringtone, and this is it. You can set a ringtone for your phone or your WhatsApp, your Telegram. Now if you want to sorry guys, if you want to add any particular ringtone from your music files, what you need to do is come to this add ringtone, click on it, and it's going to take you directly to your files. And this is where just come to SD card, and this is it. You can just browse here or browse it, and if there's anything you want to do, there's nothing you want to choose here, click on this button and you can search. Is it from your phone, from your audio, from your download? You can see from your download, from your audio, from your recent. Is it from on your phone or your SD card, on your drive? On your drive, you can see, you can just browse here, and once you see anyone you want to choose, click on choose. Once you click on choose, it's going to add on your, you can see it has added to it. Just click on this and automatically you can see. So automatic, once you're done with this, you have click and you have set a custom ringtone on your Telegram. So guys, if this app, drop a comment, like and subscribe.